Is your Rogers Ignite router blinking white? Don't panic. This usually means the router is starting up, updating its firmware, or configuring settings. Think of it as a status indicator, not necessarily an error. Rogers Ignite routers like the XB6, XB7, and XB8 use this to show they're working. Most of the time, around 80% of cases, it resolves itself within 5 to 10 minutes. This blinking is most common after you first plug in the router, after a power outage, or during automatic overnight updates from Rogers. However, if it persists longer, it needs troubleshooting. Do not unplug or reset during blinking, as this can corrupt the firmware and require a hard reset. This is all from official Rogers documentation up to November 2025. If the white light continues to blink for more than 15 minutes, try power cycling the router. This means unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Next, double check that your coaxial or fiber optic cable is securely connected. A loose connection can cause the router to get stuck in a startup loop. Rogers recommends checking the My Rogers app for router status. The app provides real-time information about your device and network. Looking ahead, future technologies like mesh networking, Wi-Fi 7, and AI diagnostics will improve router performance and diagnostics. If these steps don't work, or the My Rogers app indicates a problem, contact Rogers support. A technician can remotely diagnose the issue or determine if you have a hardware problem. Remember that forced resets should be a last resort to avoid voiding warranties.